students, how are you? Hope you all are fit and fine. First of all, I would like to ask you that have you gone somewhere in the vacations, like to the places in Shimla, Nainital, Jodhpur, Jaipur, or you have been to Bombay, Goa? And if you have gone there, then what have you observed? What is the difference you have observed in all these places? I'll tell you that the difference you would have seen would be the difference between the lands. So today in this chapter we are going to study about all these India's landforms. India is a big and beautiful country. It has variety of landforms like mountains, valleys, plains, plateaus and deserts. See, in this map, you can observe the mainland of India and the water bodies surrounding India. India is a peninsula in the south. What is peninsula? A peninsula is a piece of land surrounded by water on three sides. India has oceans and seas to the east, west and south. In the east, we have Bay of Bengal, in the west we have Arabian Sea, and in south we have Indian Ocean. India's land is divided into six broad regions: the northern mountains, the northern plains, the Thar Desert, the peninsular plateau, the coastal plains, the island groups of India. First of all, we are going to study about the northern mountains. A number of high mountains form the northern mountain range. The northernmost is the Karakoram range, and towards its south is the Great Himalayan range. The Himalayan range is divided into three parts: the Greater Himalayas, the Lesser Himalayas, and the Outer Himalayas. In the Himalayan range, the highest peak is Mount Everest, which is also the world's highest peak, which lies in Nepal, and Kanchenjunga, which is third largest peak in the world, lies in India. Glacier. What is a glacier? A glacier is a large mass of ice that moves slowly down a slope. You can see here in the picture that the glacier is melting. The melting of glaciers form rivers. As the glaciers come down from the mountains, slowly and slowly they turn into liquid form, and till they reach to the plains, they turn into rivers. There are two big rivers formed from glaciers, Ganga and Yamuna. River Ganga is formed from Gangotri Glacier and River Yamuna is formed from Yamunotri Glacier. Valleys. Valley is a land between the two mountains. Himalayas have many beautiful valleys like Nainital Valley, Shimla Valley, Mussoorie Valley, Kashmir Valley, and tea gardens in Darjeeling. Life in the mountains. Now, what type of life do we imagine in the mountains? Of course, the life in the mountains is very difficult. It is difficult to build roads and railways in the mountains. Very few people live there. Fruits like apples, pears, walnuts grow there. Tea is grown in the eastern Himalayas. You can see here in the picture the people in the tea gardens of eastern Himalayas, herding animals, tourism, and making handicrafts are few occupations in the mountains. Agriculture is difficult in mountains, so people do terrace farming. People cut down the mountains into steppes and do farming on these steppes.